Good evening. So I just want to talk about physics compartments. So if you have got a compartment in physics, you have to understand it is not because of any other reason except that you didn't struggle or had enough practice of numericals or writing the answers or getting them checked. These are the main reasons for not being able to clear the physics exam. The compartment is an evidence that you did not have enough practice of physics and your concepts were very weak. Now my plan to help students who have got physics compartment is as follows. Number one, try and get all the previous year's papers of your school. Okay, just analyze the papers and see what are the important topics that have been asked maybe in previous board examination or the school examination. Second is do a SWOT. Now SWOT is very important, right? SWOT means you are trying to establish in your compartment, when you got the compartment, in your main paper, where is that you were lacking, and were you poor in writing the 5 markers, were you poor in writing 1 marker, 2 markers, 3 markers, poor in numerical. Once you have a clear SWOT done, maybe by the chapter, you understand you're not good in standing waves, you forgot to do simple harmonic motion, or you for example didn't do electrostatics if you're a class 12 student, you have to go and revise those once more. And another very important thing to do for compartment exam is that you complete each and every solved and unsolved question of NCERT. Now that may sound very harsh, but the reality is if you try and do any other book, you will land up in a situation where you have to do 600, 700 questions per chapter, which is not possible given the small time frames. So my request is that you pick up NCERT, do all solved and unsolved problems of NCERT and read NCERT line by line with the help of your physics guide or your physics teacher. Also ensure that you do 1 markers from multiple books. Pick up multiple books, there are good reference books available, and do 1 markers of competitive exam or any other exam you can see. Last but not the least, very important is revision of important concepts. See, physics is all conceptual. If you've understood, you have 2 rules or 2 laws in any chapter. 2 laws have to be understood per chapter. If you have 15 chapters, we are practically talking about 30 laws, and maybe do 5 questions behind every law, which means 150 questions in all. If you go prepared with 150 questions, my gut feel is that you will easily pass the physics compartment examination and also get to understand physics in a better manner. So don't think compartment is the end of the world. You can easily pass a compartment exam. There is no big deal in passing it. The only thing is you have to be logical, you have to be very diligent, you have to be very obedient, you have to be very careful in doing a SWOT analysis with your physics guide. So my best wishes are with you for the physics exam, and I hope you clear the compartment exam. Thank you very much.